a ride in the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.